Hi and welcome back to Skill Sprout. So today we are going to discuss another two self-defeating beliefs. So let's start with the first one. So the first self-defeating belief that we are going to discuss today says that to be valuable, I must succeed in everything I do. So now, by this, what they are trying to mean, or whoever the person that has this kind of a belief or this kind of a mindset is all trying to say that his or her value or self-validation totally depends upon whatever they are doing and by the success of them. माने जब तक कोई भी काम वो कर रहे उसमें अगर उनको कोई भी चीज़ों में सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो रही, वो काम वो सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट नहीं कर पा रहे, दैट मीन्स दैट पर्सन फील्स दैट ही और शी इज नॉट गुड इनफ, इज नॉट केपेबल ऑफ एनीथिंग, एंड उसको हर एक चीज़ में वो कम है, उसका वैल्यू नहीं है, वो वैल्यू कहीं पे भी ही और शी कैन नॉट फाइंड फॉर देमसेल्व्स. नाउ for them the understanding is like if they are not able to succeed in something, the entire society or everybody feels that they are not valuable at all. To the entire society they don't feel valuable at all. But actually what is working behind it? Actually it is working is the simple thing that it is totally according to certain set of rules that they have set for themselves. They have to always be successful, always achieve everything, whichever thing they are attempting. And if they don't do anything, it's not that they are valueless or they become valueless towards in front of the society. No, they become valueless in front of them. Their self-validation comes into questioning. So these kind of people actually make themselves a part of a thought process that if they cannot achieve something, they have zero value. Now these kind of things generally starts where? It starts from their childhood. If you would have listened to that Eric Atkinson video, you would have by now understood that some kind of these kind of beliefs, these kind of self-defeating ideas, generally we tend to build them up from our childhood. Now, how can this be a part of childhood? May say, maybe their parents didn't approve if they did something wrong. Maybe their parents scolded them. Maybe they had abusive childhood where they were beaten for some mistakes they did, or they were compared to other children maybe that इसने अच्छा किया तू नहीं कर पाया ये काम, this person did this thing good, this person you could not, you're a failure or something. Okay, now ऐसे ही एक सिमिलर माइंडसेट भी होता है, एक सिमिलर सेल्फ डिफीटिंग रूल भी होता है कि I cannot make any kind of mistakes. It is not okay for me to make any kind of mistakes, and if I do, I am bad. Now ये भी यही same type of upbringing से हो सकता है. Maybe from teachers, maybe they are from hostels, I don't know, maybe their parents. Anybody who ever puts these ideas into a child's mind, not deliberately, but by saying कि अरे ये काम तुझसे नहीं हुआ, तू तो कोई काम कर नहीं. Okay? Say maybe they're into a multiple different kinds of things together. They're doing education, they're learning guitar, music, dance, I don't know, they're learning to play cricket, anything. Say अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट में फेलियर हुआ या कोई सब्जेक्ट में कम मार्क्स आए तो तू कोई काम करने. अगर आज क्रिकेट में they couldn't score, so they're not performing well, they're not putting their efforts, they have to succeed. Now this pressurizing from our childhood, you have to succeed, you have to do this, you have to do that. है ना? From these kind of push throughout our childhood makes us understand, brings us to a point that we start believing that if I don't do something well, I am not good enough. If I do some mistake, I am bad. Now think of this 15, 20 years later when they are young adults, when they are in our age. And soon enough, these kind of beliefs damages our career, damages our job life, damages our personal choices. Because if I am always trying to succeed in everything I do, and I find myself validated from doing that only, from there I start not giving value to other people I know. And stop giving value to my personal life. Because for me to achieve success in everything I try and do is very important to me. It's the ultimate validation for me. It's a proof that I am a person and I am of some sort of value. Now, would I focus on my relationships? Will I focus on something else? No. What I'll do, I'll focus more on my work. I'll focus on every petty things that I need to do. And whenever I do not succeed, what I do, I become depressed, I become angry, and I throw away all the good relationship that comes in my life. I throw away my personal time. I throw away my personal life. Because these kind of self-defeating beliefs are working behind my core functioning of entire lifetime. And this kind of self-defeating beliefs are running me and making me run, pushing me ahead, and making me throw away all and everything except for things that makes me feel that if I succeed, I'll become more valuable. Think about it. If you have any of these kinds of beliefs in you and you are understanding or realizing by this message, so it's high time that you actually think about it. It's high time you actually work on it and remove these kind of ideas from yourself. You need any kind of help on that, you can definitely contact me through my Facebook page, through mail ID, through WhatsApp, wherever you want to. Okay? You can also write in the comment box. Thank you. Keep watching.